Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about pivot table in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Pivot table allows users to create a customizable table from data that is given by others or created by yourself. It allows users to make a more presentable data in order to report properly based on the information that you want to convey. It is usually used to clean up data as well as organize data properly. To make a pivot table, all you need to do is create a new sheet. Then, go to Insert and select Pivot Table. There will be a prompt that will appear on your screen. Go ahead and click the button next to Table/Range. Then, go to our original sheet where our data is located. Go ahead and select the data, including the header. Once you've done that, click the same button and click OK. Now, we have a pivot table. In order for us to convey information within our pivot table, we need to check the fields available. Since we want the year and the cost, let's go ahead and check those. Microsoft Excel provides the sum of the fields chosen. To change this to our actual data, just drag the values on the lower right corner to the rows. Now, after doing that, you can just go ahead and customize it by changing the format of the numbers. Since those are in dollars, you can just select all the cells and click on the $sign and the numbers group on the Home tab. If we want to customize it more, we can just cut and paste the data anywhere in our table. We can expand the cells in order for us to show everything inside of it. And we can change the header that is defaultly provided by Excel. Let's go ahead and change it to years. And then, for the cost, let's make it to sales. And that is how we make a pivot table in Microsoft Excel.